Have you ever wondered how to get a woman to think about you all the time? Well, I've got 4 simple rules that, when used wisely, can make her fall totally in love with you. You have to establish a strong emotional connection first. But don't worry, I'm not saying you have to get very emotional too soon. It's more about being the guy she really likes when you're in the attraction phase. The time you spend with her is important. Have fun, be lighthearted, and make sure she can't forget you. In this video, we're going to look at how to keep her thinking about you long after you've dated, so let's start with these easy-to-follow rules. Number 1. Don't be too predictable. The first thing to do is to stop being too predictable. Let her wait a while. Make her work to get your attention. For example, if you send her a good morning or good night message every day, you can maybe. You'll see if she starts doing it for you the same way. When she sends you a message, don't answer right away. Let her wait a little. Let her enjoy seeing your name on her phone. Mixing things up this way will keep things exciting, and she'll think more of you. Number 2. Embrace the mystery. It's all about keeping some mystery out there. Think about what you're doing. If you're someone who posts every little detail on social media, it's time to back off. Don't share every meal or outing. Publish less and keep her guessing. Plus, a little disappearance wouldn't hurt. Not too long, but just enough to make her wonder what's keeping you busy. For example, if she sends you a message in the morning and you take all day to reply, this creates an expectation. You can reply in the evening, saying, "I've had a busy day. I hope yours was good. I'm going to bed. I've got another busy day tomorrow. I'll talk to you soon. Good night." This way, she'll see that you've got a life apart from texting, which is seductive. It shows that you've got things to do, and every girl wants a guy who has his own life. Number 3. Keep up the pace. But don't overdo it, guys. The constant essential, but don't forget that there's a happy medium between keeping her intrigued and pushing her away. Some relationship coaches will tell you to disappear from the radar for 3 or 4 days, but let's face it, if she's interesting, staying silent for too long could be seen as suspicious, which you don't want. We'll tell you to disappear from the radar for 3 or 4 days, but let's be realistic. If she's interesting, staying silent for too long could be seen as suspicious, which is what you don't want. So that's what you have to do. Go in and out as you please. It's you who's busy. You remember, do this dance for about 3 days. When you start talking again, she'll be amazed. What's keeping you so busy? Does he have someone else? What's he up to? This kind of curiosity sets you apart from other men who are always available, and the best part is that she may ask you when she sees you again. That's what you want her to want to spend time with you on your terms. That makes things less predictable and keeps her attraction to you high. Number 4. Make plans after you've been busy. Here's what's been going on the last day. You've been making appearances here and there, but you haven't been paying much attention. Maybe you haven't responded promptly to those text messages. Because you've been busy, it's time to step it up a notch. When you start talking to her again, mention that you've been busy at work, but steer the conversation towards her. What is she doing? Don't give too much information about your own affairs. Keep it a mystery. For those of you with plans, don't rush into anything. Give it some time. When you finally come up with a plan, she'll be eager to see you again. You could say something like, "I'm swamped for the next couple of days, but why don't we go for a drink on Friday evening around 7 p.m. This way you're not just texting all the time. You're making concrete plans. It's essential that your text messages are simple and to the point, and that they don't end most of the time by being unavailable. You give her time to miss you, and that's how you stay on her mind. That's it, done. You're now armed with strategies to keep her thinking of you. Apply them. Stay confident, and you'll see how things work out. Short video, please like and subscribe.